Well, hello everybody! Welcome to G-Tech. On today's episode, we're going to learn how to replace a mirror on a 2017 Lexus RX450. A while back, the driver's side mirror got broken, so I ordered another one and received it. But first, if you like this video, hit the like and the subscribe button. I would much appreciate it. Well, let's get into it. I purchased a panel and trim removal kit from Harbor Freight for around $8. The first thing I did was to use it to remove the plastic cover inside the door handle. I then removed the Phillips screw behind that plastic piece. Next, we removed the felt panel inside the armrest. Under that is another Phillips screw that needs removing. Now toward the lower half of the door near the outside edge is another screw with a black plastic type of washer to keep the screw from damaging the door panel. I removed that. Next, we removed the trim panel containing the window controls. As you can see, there is a Phillips screw underneath that we need to remove. At this point, we now can pull the bottom and sides of the door panel out, which is snapped in with keepers. Once the panel is loose, lift it so that the top of the panel releases from the door. You can remove all the connectors off the door panel to remove it completely off the door, or do what I did and find something to rest the panel on, as it will only take a few minutes to replace the mirror. The door has two holes on it to access the mirror bolts. Instead of having rubber covers to seal the door, this car has soft plastic covers stuck on the door with adhesive material. I carefully peeled both covers off. Note that you have access to the three nuts that hold the mirror with the window up. The hole to the right has a 10mm nut that has to be removed. Be careful not to drop the nut in the door as I did. However, it's not hard to retrieve it. The speaker at the bottom has four 10mm bolts holding it in place, and once the speaker is removed, you have easy access to the bottom inside of the door. The left hole has two 10mm nuts that need to be removed. Once all three of the 10mm nuts are removed, we will need to disconnect the electrical plugs that run to the mirror. The 16 position plug goes to the window control module. The cables are held in place with clips and a plastic plate where they go into the door. That plate will need to be removed and has a 10mm bolt holding it in place. Remove that bolt and push and pry in to release the plastic plate. As you can see, it has a notch holding it in place. Now, replace the mirror and do all the mirror removal steps that we just covered in reverse. And there you have it, a fully functioning driver's side mirror on our Lexus RX450H. Well, that'll do it for this episode. Again, if you like this episode, hit the like button and please subscribe. And we'll see you on the next episode. It's a wrap.